Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export your Microsoft Loop pages as PDF files. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your workspaces and collaborative documents stored in Loop. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with all your available workspaces and projects. Go ahead and click on the workspace or project that contains the page you want to export. This will open up that specific workspace and display all the pages and content within it. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with all your pages listed. Browse through this list and click on the specific page you want to export as a PDF. This will open that page in the main viewing area, allowing you to review its content before exporting. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-dot menu icon there. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your page. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on the option labeled Print and PDF Export. This is the feature that allows you to convert your Loop page into a downloadable PDF format, making it easy to share or archive your work. After clicking this option, a new tab will automatically open in your browser. This tab displays a preview of your Microsoft Loop page exactly as it will appear in the PDF format. This preview gives you a chance to see how everything looks before finalizing the export. In the preview window, you'll see a section labeled Destination. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Save as PDF from the list of options. This ensures your Loop page will be saved as a PDF file rather than being sent to a physical printer. Next, look for the Pages section. Click on the drop-down menu there and select All. This setting ensures that every part of your Loop page, including all sections and content, will be included in your exported PDF file. Now you have the option to adjust how your PDF will be laid out. Click on the Layout drop-down menu and choose either Portrait or Landscape orientation. Portrait works best for text-heavy documents, while Landscape is ideal for wider content like charts or tables. Select whichever option fits your content better. Once you've configured all your settings, click the Save button to proceed with the export. This will open your computer's file browser, allowing you to choose where you want to store your PDF. In the file browser that appears, navigate to the folder or location where you want to save your exported PDF. Once you've selected your preferred location, click Save again to complete the process. Your Microsoft Loop page is now successfully exported as a PDF file and saved to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Microsoft Loop page as a PDF, making it easy to share, print, or keep for your records. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.